wonder what should I do today. I'm going to put pictures on a fire alarm device. Let's put it right here. Let's put it right here. Now the set is completed.
Oh no you don't.
Who said that? What is it? Security.
Junior, how many times do I have to tell you not to put pictures on a fire alarm device? Because they cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Take it off right now.
Okay, I will. There, now I took it off.
Good. Take these pictures off the device right now.
There, now I took all the pictures off the fire alarm device.
Good. Thanks a lot.
I'll go talk to security. Security, what did he do this time?
Well, he just put pictures on a fire alarm device. Because he wasn't supposed to. Because the horn cannot hear when the fire alarm goes off. Can you please punish him right now?
Okay, I will punish him right now. Oh, Junior, how dare you put pictures on a fire alarm device? You know putting a picture on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at public school. You know that picture is not belong in a public school. Putting a picture on the wall is to do that at home, not at school.
He's right. Putting the pictures on a fire alarm device is not allowed to do that at public school. Pictures on the wall is to do that at home, not at school. And you're too young to go to high school. That's it.
Get out of here and go home right now.